At BayCare Plus, our health plan, we're building hygienic kits for our senior members in the community. Right now, it's very difficult to get hygiene products. If you go to the stores, a lot of the shelves are empty. We thought if we could make it easy and convenient for this population that we could just hand it to them, that would be very helpful. We've partnered with two organizations, the Area Agency of Aging of Pasco and Pinellas County, and also senior connection centers. And we're going to provide the kits to them who are going to distribute them to seniors who need them.
BayCare Plus's generosity to help us provide these hygiene kits just speaks volumes about what BayCare's commitment is to the community to help the seniors that we serve. It's priceless when a senior is going to have what they need. Soap, shampoo, toothpaste. I mean, these are basic hygiene items that because of the Safe at Home order, our seniors have not been able to go out and get or haven't felt comfortable leaving their homes to wait in lines for these basic items.
I think you can see worldwide from this pandemic that getting back to the basics is what we're all about now.
I'm proud to work for an organization like BayCare Health System. They are an important part of the community, especially when it comes to health and wellness. And to be able to participate in this manner for the community is just a great thing to do.
And the partnership with BayCare is just incredible, and we're so very grateful to all of you.